Hello all, welcome to Amara. Today we are going to make an exclusive signature piece from Amara Terracotta. Let's start with the tutorial. For the tutorial, we'll require two silicone molds like these. Now let's start making the beads. As I've already informed, we'll be only using a part of the mold. So this is how we are going to get the drop bead. So we have used only mid part of the silicone mold. Smoothen the edges and we have removed the extra clay. Now let's make the second bead. For the second bead, we'll be using this mold and we'll be using a part of it. We are going to get this small circle bead. We'll repeat to make more beads like this using both the molds. We have to make total of 27 beads. Out of this 27, 2 we'll be using as studs for our jhumkas and the rest would be our necklace beads. We'll be making beads like these using these 2 molds. Once the circle bead is made, we are going to make an impression using a straw or a refill. Now for piercing the holes, I am going to mark the holes, then pass it through a safety pin up and down so that the hole is properly made. Now let's connect both the beads using a wire. Now I've joined this bead. This is the final look of our bead. I've also added hooks as well as ball pin to the bead. Always make sure to make the beads in batches so that it doesn't dry fast. So make it in small batches, attach the hook, attach the wire, then keep it for drying. Once it's little dry, then you can make the circle bead and then attach the ball pin. So this is how you have to make the beads. So we'll be repeating this process in batches and making 27 beads in total. Out of that, 2 beads we'll be using as the stud for our jhumka, so we won't be piercing any holes for that. The rest will be piercing holes using a safety pin, since I'm using a jewelry wire to string the beads. We'll also require few Ghunguroo beads or drop beads for making this necklace. So I've already made it and kept ready. So before you start making this project, you can also make few hanging beads or drop beads using clay and keep it ready. If you want to use artificial Ghunguroos, you can use that as well as per your creativity. I've made Ghunguroos using clay itself. This is a signature piece from Amara, which is inspired from the trending Nayanthara choker necklace. This is my small attempt to replicate the choker necklace. Once all our beads are made, we have to keep it for drying in room temperature for at least 48 hours. Once dried, we'll be coloring it in antique gold string it, attach earring base to the stud using a glue. Now the second part of the video would be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.